Bitcoin just smashed a new all-time high of $124,000, and a lot of people are so excited. But to me, it is not time for excitement. It is time to start taking some profit from the market. And of course, I sold potential part of my Ethereum at $4,700, while the crowd is waiting for $5,000. I was already taking profit. I sold some Solana and also cashed out on some coins that have done 1x, 2x, and 3x, and even the one that have done 50%. But this is just a sign to let you know there is a golden rule of trading that I've always obeyed. Sell when everyone is excited, and then buy when the market is running in fear. Because right now, a lot of people in profit is still going to regret why they didn't cash out. You know why? Market has gotten to a point and they are still expecting more from the market, forgetting that the market doesn't owe you anything. If you don't take profit, the market will take it back from you. I already shared this in my community that this weekend market tends to crash, so we should trade cautiously. I told a friend who is holding a lot of Bitcoin in his wallet to start selling some of them, because I expected it at 25k, but I know 24k whales are going to start dumping. And a lot of traders don't read signs. They ignore market structure, market sentiment flip, fear and greed indices, top resistance levels. They are all drawing a lot of charts. That is not trading crypto. And don't also allow greed to override your decision. If not, you'll be the exit liquidity that the waves will be cashing out from. So if you're holding Bitcoin for a long time pump, you should be able to know where to sell before the pump happens, and also know areas to buy before the dump happens. This will help you not to FOMO. You don't need to panic, and you'll be very precise with your move, and you're going to make money. But in this video, I'm going to share you one strategy that have helped me to know the exact time to take profit, when to sell, and of course reload my bag. If you master this, it's going to help you maximize a lot of profit from this market and filter the noises you see online, and that is market dominance. You see, market dominance is a very crucial part of this crypto trading that people do not pay attention to. Think of the USDT market dominance as a measure of how much crypto capital is packed in a stable coins versus actively deployed in a riskier asset. I mean, altcoins, Bitcoin, meme coins, and the rest of them. And in case you don't know anything about USDT, I've done a thorough breakdown video and is available on this channel. See it here, go and watch it, and then you come back. Now let's go back. If USDT dominance is going up, it tells a story that traders are beginning to sell off their BTC, altcoins, meme coin, and they are converting it to USDT. You're going to see the dominance start going up. The moment you see USDT dominance start dropping, it means that people are beginning to sell back their USDT and buy back BTC, Ethereum, and all the rest of altcoins and meme coins. You see it dropping. And then when you get to a resistance top level, you're going to see whales who are using it to trade, to start selling. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to map it out and to know when whales are buying and then they are selling. And if you follow them, you're consistently going to be on profit in this market. All it requires of you is patience, capital, timing, and of course, trading smart. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the charts. To get started, you go to your trading view and look for USDT.D. Just USDT.D. That's market cap of USDT dominance. You have to look at it, and then you look very well. You can see it's on monthly here. What this signifies that we have been trending low for over how many months? Let me check. This should be since January 2023. And if you allow me to say, I will tell you that the bull run started since January 2023. Because remember that once people start selling their USDT to buy BTC and altcoins, it means that the price of those altcoins and Bitcoin is going to go up. And by the time people start buying USDT, it means that the price of BTC and altcoins is going to start crashing because they are converting them to USDT. So let's look at the opposite of this, because opposite of this USDT dominance is the market pair of BTC USDT. So let's look at it here. Now, if you see BTC USDT, and you can see that since January 2023, we have maintained an uptrend and has done over 600%. And then since January 2023, this one has been crashing, whereas here it has been going up. So it's opposite of the market. Now let's look closely on how to analyze it to know when you're supposed to buy and when you're supposed to sell. Now let's go to 4 hours here. You can look closely at 4 hours. that Bitcoin is actually crashing right now. And first of all, BTC has saw a previous all-time high of 23K. So if you are any smart trader or investor in the crypto market, you're supposed to have known there will be a retest and there will be a correction at this price. The moment the price gets to this place, there must be a correction. People tend to take profit. And that obviously happened. So mainly I saw 124 and I saw Ethereum at 4,008. I already sold at 47. Reason is because people are expecting 5,000 and they might not get there because whales know people are expecting 5,000. They are definitely going to start selling at 4,849. So you also need to think like them. There are people controlling this market because you don't have money. You are a retail trader. So looking at this zone, looking at the chart, you also need to apply your fundamental sense. So looking at it here, you can see that it actually came crashing and it has broken the previous support that it happened before. Remember when it got to 22, it came down here to around 18 and now it has tested 17K. And then let's come back to USDT now. Let's put it on 4R. You're going to see that people are selling their BTC to buy USDT. Now you can see it. You can see clearly, right? You see? People have started selling their BTC to buy USDT, and that is why it's pumping. So where do we see strong resistance? Let's go and check now to know where we should buy. Now here is the first one. We are looking at it, but it's a weak one. It's not too strong to compare, right? So this is the first week we are looking at here. If it gets to this place and retraces downwards, it means that people are beginning to buy back, and then you can take position of that. You can swing within just that short period anyways. But if you're a long-term position holder, you just have to relax to identify purely where the market is heading to by waiting to the end of this month, and then you decide where you should be focusing on. So looking at this right now, it means that market is going to start crashing, because if you go to market cap right now, you're going to see that market cap will also be dropping because people are beginning to convert to stable coins. So let's go back to BTC to see various entry positions. Now, coming from 4-hour time frame here, you're going to see that we have various entry positions. Let's mark them out. For me, I'm going to tell you to wait for this zone, which is 16K. Now, you can wait for second buy at this zone. And if anything makes it breaks below here, that is the end of the bull run. Then what are we expecting from this part? People start selling their USDT to buy altcoins. Here, let me mark them out again. We're looking at this zone because it touches here, one, and then we are cloning again. This is another zone again you should be paying attention to. Here, this zone. Here and here are the same. After here, if it breaks here and continue going up, it means that bull run has actually ended. So you as a trader need to pay attention to these zones. Remember that you can't determine where the market is going to go, but you can always predict probable predictions how the market is behaving based on pattern, and then check greed and fear indices, sentiment, trend. So you think this trend is going to get broken anytime soon? What you need to do is to check the trend, and that will help you. So check various trends. Check all the trends. If we break these trends and then continue going up, it means that bull run has ended. So for now, hold strong your profits and then wait for the next swing opportunity. So you can always use 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 week to come back and determine when to buy and sell. But for long-term holders, USDT dominance is important thing you pay attention to know when you're supposed to start buying and when to start selling. Then the bonus one I want to show you is to use it to check bull run confirmation, so that you don't wait for people telling you that bull run have started. Bull run is about to start. So if you go down here, let's look at it again. Let's see when it started and when it ended. So if you go down here, monthly, now you can see it here. I've stated it before. You can see here, after December, then January, market peaked from here straight to this point. The same thing happened here. All right, if you look at 2020, it peaked from here around October, and then also ended October, and then November, we started seeing crash again, and then it peaked. Are you expecting this market to continue going up? No, market is definitely going to crash. Expect September to be another month of crash. Then November, December, you need to be very careful while trading the crypto market. So if you trade from October, November, and then December, you need to make sure that you've taken a lot of profit out to USDT, irrespective of whatever coin you are trading. And that will keep you safe in this market. If you want to learn more, know more, when and how, where to sell, then you need to subscribe to this channel. We'll keep updating you with so much information, and we'll make it very simple that even your grandmother in the village can understand it. See you again in my next video.